Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some trades live as they unfold. Market opens up here any second now, so I will keep you updated. Okay, going for some shares here short at 1750. Got those. We'll look to cover at 1740 or build a bigger position. Big gap up, so there's going to be some profit taking that eventually hits it. So looking like I'll be able to build a bigger position. This is, like I said, exactly what I thought I would, but now it dropped, so that gave me my quick 10 cents. I will look to try to restart building a bigger position. If it can get back up to that 75 mark, I will keep you posted. Okay, going for some shares here at 1680 based off this Fibonacci retracement level. So we'll see if I can get those. Actually, I think I can do better than that. I'm going to try 70, and then I'm going to try for a 15-cent move. So we'll see if that happens or not. I will, well, here we go. Pulling back some more. All right, I'll let you know if it looks like I'm going to get filled. Well, that's what I get for breaking my plan. You can see here, pulled back and is now bouncing very nicely off that 25% Fibonacci level. So I guess if anything, take that as a real life little learning example here that Fibonacci's do work very well. Okay, I'm going for a short position at 79. Excellent. Got in there. We'll look to cover at 78.80 or better yet, build a bigger position, which is looking like I'm going to be able to do. So I'm going to put my next order in up there at 50 for another 300 shares if it can get up there. But as you can see, getting very overextended to the upside. So I feel very comfortable, at this point starting to build a position. But if it wants to give me 20 cents for my 300 shares, I will gladly take that too. So let's see what happens here with it. And I will pause it and let you know if it looks like I'm going to get those 79.50s or if it looks like I'm going to get the 78.80s that I'm originally intending for. So I will keep you updated. And sorry I missed it, but that fast moved down there and gave me the 20 cents. So although I was hoping to build a bigger position, like I said, if it wants to give me 20 cents, I'll do that. So that was a nice little $60. See if I can figure out some potential pullback points. 77.95. Oops, let's try that again. Or excuse me, 77. So I would be interested in going long there if it wants to pull back. So we'll see what happens, or if it heads back up there, I will start to, reshort again. So let's see if it can get down there or not. I'm getting close. Well, it got close and then bounced, so, well, it actually did it. Well, it bounced off there pretty much exactly. I went 4 cents below what the Fibonacci level actually said. So let's see if it can go down there and hit me. I will keep you updated. Okay, getting close. You can see my highlighted order in there. That represents where I am. So there I'm in. We'll look to get out at 78.05 for a 15-cent move, or if I can build a bigger position into this pullback, I would gladly do that. As I am trading, with the trend now, it's moved up, but now this is just simply a pullback. So let's see if it can get up there to 05. Again, you can see my order highlighted over here. That represents, where I have my sell order at. I would like my next one at 50, if I could get that. So I'll buy, that's where this Fibonacci level is at. So if I can you know, buy some more on this pullback right there. I'd be happy with that. So let's see if I can get those shares. Doing pretty well on time right now, only 5 minutes in. And there I am, got my 15 cents. So I'm making profitable trades. However, I'm struggling to actually build a bigger position because I keep getting my moves. But you know, like I said, if the stock wants to give me 20 cents or 15 cents, I'm not going to turn that down. So that's why I take those. That's not my goal, but you know, like I said, I'm not going to turn down a quick $50, $60. You know, if the stock wants to hand it to me within, you know, this short amount of time. So let's see if I can catch some more trades. All right, I apologize for that, but got filled again at 77.40. That's based off this moving average here. So I'm looking for 15 cents or to build a bigger position. So we'll see what happens. Next order I'm going to put down there at 77.01. So we'll see what comes first. Either bounce up there or if I can get filled. Looking like I have a chance to get filled down here. Again, this big move followed, so this is just, you know, a pullback right now. So I'm buying the pullback, even if it, you know, I'm not saying it doesn't have to bounce up there in order to make it profitable for me. You know, even if it wanted to bounce back up and retest the 38.2, you know, that would still be a profitable trade. So we'll see what happens here with it. Again, you can see my orders highlighted right, well, it was highlighted at 55. So let's see what happens with it. I'm going to pause it. And I'll keep you posted with any sort of updates. And I'll do my best. Like I said, very fast mover. Okay, so here we are moving down. Let's see if I can get my 77.01. Well, now we're back up here at 50. So if it breaks through 50, it should fly up very quickly and fill. Yep, just like that. And I'm out. So again, got my 15 cents. And again, not able to build a bigger position. However, I should be paying attention here. I think if it falls through there, it will drop down to 85 relatively quickly. And I'll look for... how low did it go? Oh, 87. So that makes me feel a little better. I would have put my order in at 85, but you can see how fast that moved. But that does make me feel better because I wouldn't have had an order in there anyways. So let's see if it can get down there or not. Again, have an order in at 76.85, and you know, I'm going to continue to play this pullback here because, you know, it may not reverse ever again to go back up there, but there's going to be bounces along the way, and you know, that is fine by me. So let's see what happens here with it. And just to show, here is the bounce coming. This bounce actually is occurring from the 61.8, but you know, building the position. You know, even if I had, you know, I wish I would have gotten a bigger position down here because that bounce there and this potential continued bounce could be very profitable, but you know, I wasn't able to. So you know, my strategy is working, but it isn't working. As I've said, you know, I'd like to build and get more shares. However, I'm never going to turn down a quick 10, 15, 20 cents either. So yeah, I just did want to show that, you know, Fibonacci's do work, and this is why I was buying this pullback. It was only a matter of time after, you know, this big move, profit takers, and you know, potentially see an upwards move here. But maybe it'll pull back down below 77. After this move, though, I think I can get a better entry. So just out of curiosity, what is this down here? Because that was a previous, let's just high there, 76. So I'll go 76.20 as the next one, and I'm actually going to bump that up to 500 shares because I think I'm very I like that entry point a lot. So a little bit bigger size than what I would normally do. However, like I said, you know, I like that initial entry spot for the chart. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. I'll keep you updated. I changed my order to 76.15 just because that's where this level of support is. But then you also have the 50 period at 76.10. So I'm kind of trying to split the difference there. So it's getting close. Let's see if I can get it. So there it hit 23, so I still wouldn't have been hit yet. It kind of looks like it hit that green line, but technically speaking, it hit 23, not 20, so I wouldn't have been hit there. Okay, here we go. Let's see if Well, it's hovering right around this area. We should pull back just a tad bit more. All right, wow, this video is over 10 minutes already. Okay, I'll pause it and that might have been the bounce. I will keep you posted. All right, I got filled at 76. I changed my order and now you can see it's pulled back quite a bit, but I still do like that entry point nonetheless. So I'm looking to build that bigger position if I can. So there we're getting a bounce. We're definitely going to need to get back up above 76. But this move is very, very overextended now. So let's see what can happen with it. Video is already very long, so I'm going to be short and precise. I'll let you know if okay, I'm going to look to pick up some more shares down here around 35. Try to get some up there at 40 if it wants to go there again. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, I'm getting I got shares there at 76.10. So I'll try some more at 76.10. So I got 200 of my 500 out. That gets my position size a little bit more under control. So that's what I was trying to accomplish there. I don't want things to get too far out of control. But if it wants to go up there again, I'm looking for some at 76.10. So let's see if we can get any sort of follow through on this current candlestick. I will keep you posted. Okay, getting back up above, there's that. See if I can get some off at 15. You can see they're just cutting in front of my order there. I'm now up at best offer. So there are those, and I still have 100 left. So let's see what kind of bounce I can get here. And I'll take the rest of those at 29. So nice little trade there. I'm just going to wrap it up. So 279 in 20 minutes of the day. Not too bad. But this was an example, like I said, of not really doing my goal. I wanted to build bigger positions on SCTY. I still wasn't able to do it. And now look at that bounce. But that's what you get for judging yourself in hindsight. But this is why I'm building that position, because my logic says that when it's getting overextended and the chart says there's going to be some sort of bounce. So if I was able to build this up to 1,500 shares, 2,000 shares, this would have been a beautiful bounce. But regardless, if you want to learn how to trade using charts, not necessarily this exact strategy, that's the great thing about charts. You can tailor them and adjust them to the strategy of your liking. Then go to claytrader.com. You can check out the training section, offer many courses, also have a trading group with a live chat room. So check that stuff out. And then finally, if you like this video, an easy way to let me know is if you're watching this on YouTube, just click the like button below. If you're watching this on my website, please leave a comment. Little things like that go a long ways and, help me to know that you are finding these videos enjoyable and helpful. And as long as that remains the case, then I will keep making them. So again, click the like button, leave a comment, and, just let me know, that you do enjoy these videos. And like I said, I will keep on making them. So everybody have a good weekend. I'm actually off to see Guardians of the Galaxy with Nate. He did a great job with the website. So we're going to kind of have a little relaxed Friday afternoon. And I will see everybody back next week.